safe haven of conversation where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say it, no explanation needed. We just understand what we mean, if only through pictures and memes. Years together run deep in the glow of our screens. It's a party inside. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy. Tell you all my secrets, it's safe to keep them. Sharing our dreams and the whys and reasons. I said silence conversation, my girl's been waiting. Any update on they're my salvation. When I wanna break down and crash out, they wonder. That's what friendship's about. Failure or success, we're a circle. Sometimes you need solutions, and sometimes it's just a vibe in group chat therapy.